Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today we are doing November 3rd, Amaya Raine Day, and it's Feast. And for the life of me, I cannot find my girls' table. So Amaya is just going to show you what is in this My Life breakfast feast, although you and I eat this any time of day. We have pancakes for dinner and bacon and eggs for dinner. I've always done that. Anyway, we're going to get this out and show it to you. It is such a cute set. I got this at Walmart. What was it? $12, Darren, I think. 13 with probably 13.50 with, well, you know what? Turn that off a second. Wow, this was harder to open than you can imagine. Thieves, they really make me angry. Everything has to be wrapped so tight. How cute is this? Oh my goodness. We actually have a heart-shaped waffle iron that we've used in the past on Valentine's Day.
Makes 4 little heart waffles in a circle.
Yeah, how cute. Cute, cute, cute. Look at this.
I know what I'm having tomorrow.
You know what? I'm not sure I want to break. Well, I can put it back together. Well, no, I can't. Oh my goodness, they've got this wrapped. Look at the eggs. Oh my goodness, look how perfect they are for her. And the 18-inch dolls. This is really cute for the 18-inch dolls also. Oh, I put those on the wrong side. I want to put this back. I don't want to lose those eggs. That's adorable. Oh, there's something in here. Oh, how funny. Look at this. It actually has little pancake mix in a, well, I don't know what it is, but it's a squishy. It comes like pancake and waffle mix. Maybe it actually is, and you can make this. I should read directions, but look at the size. That is so cute. They had all kinds of sets. They have a horse grooming one. I'm going to end up getting, it's like $6.
How do you not already have it?
I know.
Who the hell are you?
Because I'm trying to save money to buy, well, you know, dolls, and I've been buying a lot of dolls. Can you all see the faces in the pancake skillet? Isn't that cute? And the little milk. Oh, gosh. And look at the little blueberries. Let's see if I can pull this up. Look how adorable that is. Little muffin pan. These have weight to them, too. That isn't like thin plastic that will crush. That's, feel that, Darren?
I believe it.
That's really weighty. How cute is that?
Solid chunk of plastic.
It is a solid chunk of plasticky rubber or something. Okay, then it's got some raspberries and blueberries. Again, look at the size. It's just so cute. Wish I could find my table. Look at the little measuring cups. Let me pull that tape off. Isn't that adorable? They're actually marked like full size are, or people size are. God, this is really a cute set. Makes me want another set from there. That little horse one's really cute. It's got a little plate. Put your little muffin on or your cookies or whatever. Maple syrup. Oh, God, that's cute. Now, that is a little small, but you know what? I'm good with it. You know, it's just pretend anyway. And, of course, a fork to go with the plate.
The maple syrup is smaller than the muffin.
Yeah, it is kind of small. But and then your little wisp. Oh, that is adorable. And classic waffle. You know what? I think you really can make these. Let's see. I don't know. I don't have.
Looks like it.
Yeah.
4 cups all-purpose flour.
Oh, well, this is a real recipe, but I don't think you can use.
Oh yeah, no.
Use
this.
this.
I'm sure that's.
I think it would say, oh, modeling clay dough. Okay, so you can. This is modeling clay, and you can actually make your little pancakes and your little heart-shaped waffle. Now the waffle's a good size. These are small. These would be like silver dollar pancakes, sourdough.
Making me hungry.
Woo! So that's what we have. Oh, wait, one more thing. I didn't even see this for a minute. Look at the little measuring cup. Can you see on the side it has the actual imprint like a regular one?
And again, it's a little small.
It's not bad. It's small, but it's not awful. Not exactly to scale, but I'm not mad about it. Very cute. So this is my feast video today. If you also have an Amaya Raine Day video using any Rainbow High or Shadow High doll, would you please let me know in the comments? Also, we all know that Dory has a video today, so be sure to go by and have a look at Dory's and anybody else in the comments. You know, on every channel that you go to, if you're in a challenge and you also have a video, let that person know. YouTube does not link us around anymore like they used to. So we have to do that ourselves. Dory, this was a really fun idea. Dory came up with Feast. And I got this cute set because of it. Thank you for that. And thank you for all of the challenges we do. Don't forget, everybody, that on the 16th is Dolls Gone Goth, and on the 18th is Hi Barbie. And they have the same theme, feast theme. And I can't wait to see what you all put up. Thank you for participating. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.